Hello everyone, good night. Now I will to presentation our project as learning. So let me introduce ourselves. My name is Arya Siaan. There's this identity team is Joel Pasaribu, Alif Zidan Rizky Fadila, Maulana Rianto is leader, George Santo Adrian Sinaga. Next. So next is member sharing and contribution. Joel Pasaribu is tester reporting and database. Me is analyzing tester and UI UX design. Next is Alif Zidan Rizky Fadila is the UI UX design and prototype. Next is Maulana Rianto is analysis front end implementation database. And George Santo Adrian Sinaga is analysis, use case, ER diagram design and reporting. Next is general description of the software. Description of the car of rental mobile application is designed to facilitate the renters to process and booking renting cars by online. So the purpose is to make easier for tenants to rent a car online. So the scope is, number one, the system is able to allow access for users. Number two, the system is able to storing and managing customer data, reservation and facial information. Number three, the system is able to provide a fast and efficient search for a car based on criteria such as car type, rental date, and return date. Number four, the system is able to managing and displaying car status information. Number five, the system is able to recording car rentals through form filling. Number six, the system is able to provide confirmation of the proposed rental. Number seven, the system is able to integrate various online payment methods such as the credit cards, bank transfers, or digital wallets so that renter can pay for car rental easily. Number eight, the system was able to log out of the user account. Next, number one is administrator is the charge of managing all system operation, including by managing user data, monitoring rental activities, and providing validation of submitted by tenants. Number two is public mobile or host or the owner, the facial, where the facial can be rented through the application. The car owner can access the application to add the car to the application and manage facial information and price. Next is the customer or penyewa, is the user who wants to rent a car as needed. So they rent the car and make booking with the many payment during the agreed time.
Okay, next is functional needs and non-functional needs. Functional needs, F001 is registration. Renter can register into the system by filling in information such as name, email address, telephone number, and password. Actor is tenant. F002, login. Renter, administrator, and car owner can log into the system using the register icon by entering their email and password. Actor is renter, admin, or car owner. F003, apply for a rental. Renter can apply for car rental by selecting the type of car, rental dates, and duration of rental through the app. Actor is tenant. F004, validate rental. The admin validate the rental request submitted by the tenant. The validation process includes checking tenant document and car availability. Actor is administrator. F005, rental confirmation. The car owner can confirm the rental application after validation is carried out. Confirmation containing payment detail and information to tenants. Actor is car owner. F006, process rental. The car owner will process the rental by preparing the car that has been booked by the user. This process also includes payment as well. Actor is car owner. Next, F006, 7, logout. User, administrator, and car owner can be done if finished using the application. Actor, renter, administrator, and car owner. Okay, next is non-functional need. Availability, the application is available and work 24 hours non-stop unless there is system maintenance or update. Reliability, tolerable failures of about 5%. Ergonomy, the system should be user-friendly. Portability, the app must be compatible with different device include iOS and Android. Memory, use a minimum of 1024 megabyte of memory. Response time, no more than 3 seconds. Safety, the browser must accept the SSL or certificate socket layer. Certificate from the system for data security. Security access to the system is limited via the internet online. Offline access item cannot be served. Language using Indonesian language. Use case diagram. Use case diagram explained. This use case illustrates the relationship between the interaction between the car rental mobile application management system, which has 3 actors, namely admin, car owner, and renter. Number 1, admin. Admin can validate tenant submitted list request. Number 2, pemilik mobil or host in charge of confirming the rental. After the admin validates, the car owner will receive a notification from the admin once confirmed. The car owner will process the rental by preparing the official that has been submitted by the tenant. Number 3, penyewa or customer. Renter can apply for car rental. The renter choose the start date and end date of the rental and choose the car you want to rent.
Use case scenario. Identification. Number 3, name applicant for a rental. Description. This use case illustrates that user can research for the car they want to rent by, selecting the date and time of rental, choosing a car that suits the method of abandonment and others. Actor, penyewa or customer. Initial condition, the tenant has logged into the application and want to rent a car. Final condition, the tenant has applied for the list successfully and is waiting admin validation. Identification number 6, name process rentals. Description, this use case describes where the car owner processes the rental, where after payment the car owner will prepare the car for the rental. Actor, pemilik mobil or owner the car. Initial condition, car owners access the app. Final condition, the car owner process the rental by preparing the car for the rental. ER diagram. ER diagram explains the ER diagram on the side illustrates the relationship of 5. The entity consists of admin, car owner, and the rental car. Admin entity with tenancy have a cardinality of 1 to many. The tenant entity with the list has a cardinality of 1 to many. The entity that owns the car with the list has a cardinality of 1 to many. The entity that owns a car with a car has a cardinality of 1 to many. Rental entities with cars have a cardinality of many to many. Struktur tabel. Table name, penyewaan, primary key, ID, foreign key, no. Tabel struktur, name, ID, type integer, long 11. Description kode pengguna dari nomor pegawai. Name, nama underscore penyewa, type varchar, long 25. Description nama pegawai. Name mobil underscore ID, type no, long 15. Description mobil yang disewa. Name email, type varchar, long 25. Description email penyewa. Name waktu underscore peminjaman, type varchar, long 10. Description waktu peminjaman mobil. Name waktu underscore pengembalian, type varchar, long 10. Description waktu pengembalian mobil. Table name, mobil, primary key ID, foreign key no. Table struktur, name, ID, type integer, long 11. Description kode pengguna dari nomor pegawai. Name map, type varchar, long 15. Description nama pegawai. Name transmisi, type varchar, long 15. Description email resmi pegawai. Name harga underscore sewa, type varchar, long 10. Description password.
Prototype or mockup. In dashboard page, on the dashboard page, renters can see available cars. On the dashboard page, there is also a search and filter feature that can make it easier for tenants to search based of the criteria such as brand, model, and year. Next, rental page. On the rental page, the tenant fills in the full details of rental terms, starting from the start date, return time, end date, and return time. Next, in payment page. On the payment page, tenant make payment for their rentals. This includes rental fees and payment methods. Obstacle phase. Constraint, number 1, resource limitation. Number 2, limitation understanding of the tools used is the Flutter framework. Number 3, display responsive fairness. Solution, number 1, manage teamwork, team prioritize tasks and communicate regularly so that project maximize. Study online learning resources such as official Flutter documentation, tutorial, and Flutteration that can be used as reference to understand Flutter basic and concept. Number 3, study online learning resources such as official Flutter documentation, tutorial, and Flutteration that can be used as reference to understand Flutter basic and concept. Next, project and course contribution. Course, computer system administration contribution to that assist understanding of information system and technologies used in application development. Basic physics, optimize application to perform for data flow simulation in program for efficient fairness and efficiency. Human computer interaction, design UI UX that it's easy to use and according to user needs. Software testing, identity user needs, functional testing, and test report generation. Mobile programming, making application design using the Flutter framework and the programming language used is Dart. Database security, design database security concept such as authorization and user authentication, data encryption, and audit and logging. Mobile application development project, monitor the progress of PBL project implementation and provide an understanding of application development. Next, work plan, number 1, discuss with the project manager about working on the project for the next implementing the prototype, implementing database, and complete the project documentation, including application implementation, database implementation, description, test result, as well as conclusion and solution. Thank you very much for your great attention. Good night.